Hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar and welcome to this channel called Na Party Na Broker. As the name suggests, this channel is neither to sell you any product, not does it take brokerage from any other product. It's purely it's a channel to help you take financial decisions in day-to-day life, and we analyze day-to-day products like credit card, home loans, and any other thing which it comes. uh, i am a I'm an engineer by profession and a finance enthusiast. I was previously working as a banker with Lehman Brothers, Namura, and then I started my own firm, and now I'm managing a fund of a family office. So this is just an introduction to help you decide about a new feature which has come on multiple websites, from predominantly on Cred and No Broker. That is, you can pay your rent through credit card. So we'll analyze this option and see कि हमको ये option लेना चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए. So this rent payment option by credit cards has been recently introduced by Cred, and it was there on No Broker for quite some time, I think few months now. And they have recently added American Express also in the list of acceptable cards. There is another company called Red Giraffe, which is there for quite some time. It's a UK based company, and they also provide this option for quite some time. There might be some other options which I don't know, frankly. So I'll just help you understand the options and the limitations of using these three platforms to pay your rent through credit cards. So first of all, what are the charges? So the charges for Red Giraffe is the lowest amongst all three. It's around 0.4%, whereas for Cred and No Broker, it's 1 to 1.5%. So clearly, Red Giraffe is one of the better choices on that front. But Red Giraffe has got a limited cards on which you can use this option. Whereas Cred and No Broker, you can actually use it for your high-end cards like American Express, Diners Black, Infinia, things, cards like that. So it's costlier on No Broker and Cred, but then again the rewards are higher. So let us see what are the advantages of using this credit card, this option of paying rent through credit card. पहला पहला advantage है कि you can save interest and create liquidity in your card. Now, if you delay your rent payment by say 30 or 45 days, theoretically you can earn around 0.3 or 0.4% interest on your credit card. Sorry, on this in your savings account. Otherwise, it would have gone directly. So yes, that is one advantage, but then it's an advantage we should discount. Why we should discount, we'll come and see later. Then the second is the liquidity, which tells you that you will have more money in your bank account. So that would be helpful in case you require it for some other reason or so. So it's there. Uh, then the second point is you can earn extra reward points. Now, some uh, some credit card gives you a disproportionate number, a really high reward points. On a side of No Broker, there is a card option of there is an option of paying through some premium SBI card where you can earn reward points up to 30,000 rupees when you spend 4,50,000 on paying rentals through credit cards. Then there is this option of you can earn more by reaching a certain milestone on various cards. So like I have got an American Express Platinum card. There I can get, if I spend around 4 lakh rupees every year, then I get flight voucher worth 24,000 rupees and Taj voucher worth 10,000 rupees. So the milestone is 4 lakh rupees. If my rental is 30,000, then I can reach 3,60,000 just by paying the rentals, and then I have to spend just a little bit more to get to that milestone. So clearly, it's a very good deal if I use this card to make the payments from my from my American Express credit card. Whereas I've got a second card from Citibank, and on that I will get 1% cash back because they will count it as a utility bill, and there I don't have any payment milestone. So it's not beneficial for me to pay through my Citibank credit card, whereas it's much more beneficial for me to pay through my American Express credit card. Now there are some other options like Cred. Some platforms like Cred who actually give you more reward points, and you earn reward points which you can spend on the Cred platform itself. Now that is something which has to be explored by everyone, and have to see whether the points are relevant to you or not, whether they are products which you can use or not. So this point is something which you will have to figure it out yourself by looking at the options of redemptions over there. Now you have to understand what are the disadvantages. When you look at a credit card, the payment model is very simple. You just have to spend something and then you have to repay after 40 or 45 days. Frankly, if everyone uses credit card, we will all have a much easier life. But then credit card companies know that once they give you higher limits, more offers, you tend to overspend. So if they give you the option to pay through the rent, pay your rentals through credit cards, they expect that you will slip sometime and you will pay them interest or something like that. So this overspending is something which is quite possible, and it cannot be quantified in any mathematical model, but you'll need to understand how much control do you have over your personal finance, and then you should plan accordingly. The interest saving that which we discussed over there as first point in advantage, even that might not be possible, because you might spend this money for buying something else which you require. Let's say you spend 5,000 or 10,000 out of your rental because you had money in that bank account. And the one slippage in repayment, like if you pay your rent, your credit card will every time on a credit card will every time on for the first 11 months, and if you delay by just by 4 or 5 days in your 12th month, the interest charge and the other charges are good enough to wipe off all the savings interest that you have earned in the past 11 months. So we can see that there are quite a few slippages which can happen, and that is what the credit card companies factor in when they want to spend you more and more from their credit card. So if you want to beat the credit cards on their own game, what you need to do is you just need to pay the rent through the credit card, and pay the credit card bill, pay the rent amount within a day or two of the confirmation of receipt. If the rent has not been received, you can always raise dispute. If the rent has been received, you should pay your credit card bill, the rental amount that day, or within 1 or 2 days. This way you will have 2 or 3 benefits. First of all, you will not have any default interest or late payment fees or anything like that. Your credit score will improve, which will help you to get loans in the future. And you will not be paying you will not be using this money for any other purpose, and then falling short when the repayment time is due. So this has to, if you want to use this option, it has to be followed by a strict financial discipline of paying the rents within 2, 3, 4 days of the payment of receipt of the rentals. Conclusions is that you pay only if you can pay in full. The savings that you generate, please understand that you are paying 1 to 1.5% extra or 0.4% extra on your rental amount. So if the return is not 3 times, then you should not be using this option, because the redemption options are really limited. So unless you are gaining substantially from it, you should not do it. So if you are using Red Giraffe, then your return should be 1.2 to 1.5% at least. If you are using a high-end American Express card where you are being charged 1.5%, then it should be around 4.5-5%. Else it does not make sense. The people who have got high-end card should definitely use it, because it's a great opportunity to earn 25, 30, 40,000 rupees based upon your rental that you pay, and the card that you are going to use. But then a good card will give you a return of around 5 to 6% easily over your rental payments. So if your rent is around 50,000 a month, over a year you pay 6 lakhs, and 5% or 6% is 30 to 35,000 rupees. So 30 to 35,000 rupees if you can earn just by uh, clicking, just by making 2 transactions a month, then it's a great opportunity to save this much money. And they should definitely use this option. Don't use it if you don't have financial discipline, if you're not sure of paying it in time or anything like that. Look at your past records with credit cards. If you think you can slip up, just leave this option. It's not that much of work. But if you think you have a decent amount of financial discipline and your card payments are always on time, then you should definitely use it. So thank you. This was my analysis of paying rent through credit cards. Hope it is useful to you, and you may use it or choose not to use it. Thank you. Thank you.